First startup.
First startup.
Let's get this shit after fucking 4 fucking weekends. Long ass fucking hours.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Right away, our compressor should kick on.
What the? Ooh.
The light's on it, finally. Oh, that sucks. You don't have fire extinguisher.
No. Get some water away.
We don't have a quick disconnect. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey.
What?
Should I turn on the car?
Well, yeah, no.
Should
No,
I
wait.
open the garage door?
Do you need to turn on the car on?
You better. So it wouldn't drain my battery.
Yeah, I don't want to die.
Should we crack both doors?
That one for sure.
That one. So air could circulate.
It's raining, huh? Okay. What? What do you mean?
No way. Who was fucking with it?
The clutch?
Yeah, let's see.
How would you fuck with the clutch? You have technical difficulty right now. Fucking clutch would engage. Fuck. See that shit right there? Where's bleeding?
Airline popped it out. Man.
Airline popped it out. For some reason it was behind that thing. Fucking crazy, man. Good thing it wasn't that fucking serious. Just moved it. I know. We're all fucking pumped already. Alright.
Pump again.
We're pumped now. Back to the pump session. This is where it begins. Should I stand back here? What if it blows up? Safety first. Open all doors before you turn the car on in your garage. Let's go. First startup. Yeah. Hit that shit. Huh?
Hey, what's happening? It's shutting off.
It shut off?
It's shutting off. See?
It's not calibrated. Where's the windshield on? Is it getting any power on this thing? Turn it off.
Why?
Well, you never know what the fuck is going on.
Compressor. That's cool. Burn asshole. What, burn?
Yeah, the fucking exhaust.
Oh, yeah. What's going on, dude?
Yeah, we don't know what's going on here. Maybe ground?
Maybe.
But you could hear it click.
What do they want to do?
Calibrate? Some shit?
Calibrate?
How do you calibrate? Well, check your
Well,
fucking book.
It's supposed to just do it.
Isn't it supposed to turn on right now? There you go. There you go. There you go. It's working. make the same noises that they do.
This one's running.
Is that one running? Try disconnecting that one and leaving that one on. Or it doesn't work like that. That was a bad ground then.
Yeah. I think it's not working because it's not calibrated. You know what I mean?
How do you calibrate it?
It's doing it right now.
Let's show the. Let's open that more.
Press the button.
Can I tell you?
Right there.
There it is. It's on.
Vehicle will now move. Are you ready?
Huh?
Vehicle will now move. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What's that door?
Hold on. The speaker box is on. Is it by itself?
Yeah.
That's you?
No, that's by itself.
Oh!
Victory Screech!
It's raising! It's raising!
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Yeah, you guys probably think we're dumb as fuck turning this car on in the shop. I don't even give a shit if I die right now. Dude, that's so fucking dope. Looks fucking sick. Close that door. Oh. Move that shit just in case it slams it all the way down. That shit sounds beautiful. Sounds fucking badass, bro.
Fuck yeah.
It scared the shit out of me earlier. Damn. Are your wheels straight?
Huh?
Your wheels straight?
Yeah.
Whoa. How do you feel?
Fucking good. Sounds sick, huh?
Tell them what was wrong with it. They're right now, they're in suspense right now.
We got a bad ground. We hooked it up to
Straight to the battery.
straight to the battery right now. It's negative. So we might run a negative to the battery back to the manifold, but we're probably gonna try to find a better ground.
Hell
We had
yeah.
it hooked up, so
What
yeah.
you doing right now?
We're now calibrating.
On its own?
Calibration successful.
Damn.
System ready to use.
Ready you use?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, you gotta tell them. For the next video.
What? What I do?
That's how we do it like that. Get ready to find out in the next video. the grand finale. You guys got a little taste right now.
Day 2.
We had it in the beginning, but then you were on the back. That's where you wait. Yeah. Bring my phone now? Your phone? Where's it at?
Like it, huh?
I love it, bro.
Victory screech!
What do you think, Gerald?
That was badass, bro.
Sick or not? Fuck.
How is the front right now? That's there now. Is there anything on like on the front side?
It has his own mind, right?
What do you mean?